All right, Algebra 1 students, let's look at Unit 3, Lesson 2, Relative Frequency Table. We have one goal here. I can calculate values in a relative frequency table and describe what the values mean in everyday language. So we're going to be looking at relative frequency tables, which are a type of two-way table. And we want to be able to take the data that we have in the relative frequency table and explain what it means. Okay, so our vocabulary words, we're adding one. We have categorical variable. Remember, those are categories that can be broken into parts, such as if we want to talk about colors, we can break that down into red, blue, and we can collect data on that. Two-way table is just a way of comparing two categories and how they're broken down. Variable is the particular thing that we're looking at within a categorical situation. Relative frequency table, a two-way table in which the value in each cell is divided by the total number of response in the entire table or total number of responses in a row or column. A lot of times when you do this, you'll get a decimal, but many times we turn that into a percentage. So you'll see a lot of these as percentages, but we can also use them as decimals. They will be smaller than 1 because you're taking a smaller number divided by a bigger number. All right, so here we actually have a relative frequency two-way table. And I want you to do 2 notices and 2 wonders about it. So here's some information. Several adults in a school building were asked about their highest degree completed. So that would be like getting your diploma from high school, or an associate's degree, which is 2 years of college, or a bachelor's degree, which is typically 4 years, or a master's degree, which is typically 6 or more, or even higher. And whether they were a teacher. So here we have the degree, here we have teacher, not teacher, and then we have some percentages. I want you to tell me 2 things that you notice, things that pop out to you, and 2 things that you wonder, 2 questions that come up. Write those down, bring them to class tomorrow, so that'll start our discussion. But we have associate's degree, bachelor's degree, master's or higher, teacher, not teacher. We have 4% here in this box, 16% in this box, 52% under teacher and bachelor's degree, 64% under not teacher, bachelor's degree. Master's degree or higher under teacher, we have 44%. Under not teacher, we have 20%. So bring your 2 notices and 2 wonders to class tomorrow, and then that will start our discussion. Thanks.